We need to find the linear speed of this car. They want us to express our answers in inches per second and in miles per hour. So how fast is the car moving? The radius of each wheel is 15 inches. So we're going to use our circumference. Here we have another linear speed problem. They want us, excuse me, to express our answers in inches per second and in miles per hour. So we're going to have to do some converting here. So our linear speed, we need our number of revolutions times our circumference over time. So we just extract this information from our problem. So the wheels are turning at a rate of 3 revolutions per second. So 3 revolutions times our circumference, which is 2 pi. They give us the radius of 15 inches, so times 15. Go ahead and put your inches there so you can keep track of things. Over the time, well, the rate that it was spinning is 3 revolutions per second. So we are in seconds, so we're going to put over 1 second. Okay, so how fast is the car moving? Express your answer in inches per second. So as you can see right here, we are already in inches per second. So all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to multiply this all out. So this will give us 282.7 inches per second. So that's one of our answers. Then they want us to take and convert that because they also want your answer in miles per hour. So you can just kind of build off of this fraction right here. We're going to leave our pi in. I would prefer for you to do your calculation off of this rather than this, because when you multiplied pi out here, this is not an exact value. Keeping pi in, that'll give us an exact value. So we are going to multiply, we're going to convert. So we need to go to miles per hour. So let's deal with the time first. So we're in seconds here. So when you're doing these conversions, you want your units to cancel. So we want to put our seconds on top here, and the next unit up is going to be minutes. So we have 60 seconds over 1 minute. Then we need to take our minutes to hours. So minutes on the bottom here, we're going to want minutes on top here over hours. So we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that takes care of our time. And then we have to take care of our inches and take those to miles. So inches on the top here, you're going to go with inches on the bottom here. The next unit up is feet. So we have 12 inches in 1 foot. Got to go one more because we need to go into miles. Our feet are on top here, so we need them to be on bottom here, and our miles on top. So we have 5,280 feet per 1 mile. Okay, and then you can kind of just go through and do a quick check and make sure everything's going to cancel the way it's supposed to. So we have our seconds here. We'll cancel with these seconds. These inches here will cancel with these inches. Minutes go with minutes. We have feet with feet. So if you kind of scan across the top here, we have miles only as a unit. And if you scan across the bottom, we have hours only as our unit. So this is in miles per hour. So now all you have to do is take your calculator and punch it in your calculator. The only thing I want to just remind you of is whenever you punch this all in and you do your divide by 12 times 5280, you need to make sure that 12 times 5280 is in parentheses. Otherwise, it's going to give you the wrong answer. Okay, so then you go ahead and punch that in your calculator and you get 16.66 miles per hour.